I recently came across a website that's been getting a lot of attention lately, and that site is called One-Shot Miner. At first glance, it looks extremely promising. The design is clean, the messaging is bold, and the offer sounds almost unbelievable. The website claims that with their mining device, you could potentially earn the full Bitcoin block reward of 3.125 BTC, which at today's prices is worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. That alone is enough to grab anyone's attention, but when something sounds this easy, it's important to slow down and really look at what's going on behind the scenes.
We don't promote this video in any way. This video is only for educational purpose.
According to One-Shot Miner, their devices are zero-effort Bitcoin mining machines that run automatically 24/7. They say there's no setup required, no technical knowledge needed, and the power consumption is supposedly less than a nightlight. They also describe the miners as long-term digital companions that keep running and giving users repeated chances to win Bitcoin every 10 minutes. On the surface, it sounds like a revolutionary way to mine crypto without any of the usual complexity. However, once you dig a little deeper, things start to feel off. First of all, One-Shot Miner has no real track record in the crypto mining space. The domain was only registered on September 25, 2025, and there's no clear information about who owns or operates the company. There are no founders' names, no company registration details, and no background history. In the crypto industry, transparency matters, and the lack of it here is concerning. Another issue is how the website markets the product. Instead of focusing on hardware specifications, hash rate details, or mining performance, the entire pitch revolves around the chance of getting rich. Legitimate mining companies usually highlight their technology, not just potential rewards. Here, the emphasis is on winning Bitcoin easily, which feels more like a lottery pitch than a mining solution. The reviews are another major problem. While the One-Shot Miner website displays overly positive feedback, independent platforms tell a different story. On Trustpilot and Reddit, multiple users report serious issues. One customer said they never received their miner and lost their money. Another claimed shipping delays, missing items, ignored emails, and no response from support. Others reported that their miner stopped working and customer service completely disappeared. The biggest red flag, though, is the hash rate. Compared to real Bitcoin miners, the performance is extremely low. When users questioned this, the company reportedly said the device was just for table decor, which directly contradicts how it's marketed as a Bitcoin mining device. While similar novelty miners exist on more trusted platforms, based on everything we've seen, One-Shot Miner raises too many red flags. In my opinion, this is something you should stay away from and approach with extreme caution.